the dim blue light before sunrise, a black-crowned night heron slips from the mangroves, its ruby eye glowing like a quiet ember. Built for darkness, it carries more rod cells than most herons, giving it an edge when the wetlands still feel half asleep. At the water's edge, the bird tremble shakes its bill, sending ripples outward, an unusual lure that draws curious fish just a little too close. Suddenly, the heron stretches its deceptively short neck, doubling its reach in an instant strike that barely breaks the air. Juveniles nearby practice with leaves and sticks, awkward rehearsals for a life defined by precision and timing. As the first golden hints of Florida daylight brush the swamp, the heron retreats into shadow, guarding its secrets until dusk calls it back again.